For My People by Margaret Walker. Let us look into the introduction. Actually, this poem poignantly describes the joy, heartaches, and triumphs of African American in the United States. Next is author introduction. The author of this poem is Margaret Walker. Margaret Walker was an American poet. She was a part of African American literary movement in Chicago. She was born on 7 July 1915 in United States and she was died on 30th November 1998 in United States. Let us look at the summary of this poem. The poem chronicles the everyday and often mundane aspects of hard labor and the simple pleasure of a dispossessed people. A revolution of the masses refers to the blacks who complicit in their own misery and calls for a new day. Rise up refers to all those who are content in their oppression and suffering and being deceived in the face of inequality. Take up the martial banner and endure suffering is the key phrase of this poem. Themes of For My People. The theme is about African American rising up and not settling for poor treatment. It calls for a new society in which all races and people can live together. Stanza 1. Stanza 1 tells of the days when African Americans were slaves to Americans, especially in the South. Stanza 2. Stanza 2 told of Walker's childhood and her growing up years. Stanza 3. Stanza 3 also told of her growing up years, going to church and playing, and her experiences. Stanza 4. Stanza 4 tells of Walker's school year and talks about the thing that she learned in school. Stanza 5. Stanza 5 talks about how, although being mistreated growing up, they ignored these things and grew up. Stanza 6. Stanza 6 talks about people of Africa who enjoy themselves despite being slaves. Stanza 7. Stanza 7 tells of the people who were living blindly and doing nothing productive. Stanza 8. Stanza 8 talks of the people who are living the dark and uncertainty of society's run. Stanza 9. Stanza 9 finally tells of those who are trying to change the society and are trying to make new worlds. Stanza 10. Stanza 10 encourages all the people spoken of in the past 9 stanzas to rise up and change the world for the better. Now let us look into the poetic devices that were presented in this poem. The first one is anaphora, for example, for my people. And the second one is allusion, for example, false prophet and holy believer, which means Christianity. And the third one is metaphor, for example, glory craving leeches. And fourth one is poetic form, that is free verse. And the last one is alliteration, for example, planting, pruning, and patching. Conclusion. Walker addresses the tragic history of African American slavery and their hope for a better future in the poem For My People.